This is me in the morning, just like many of you. Some days it's a struggle to get going, right? Some mornings the alarm goes off and all you want to do is pull the covers over your head and pretend the world isn't waiting for you. I used to feel that way a lot, but something clicked for me after a while. It's not about how you start your day, it's about where you want to go. And that's why I'm here today. I'm taking the leap, starting something new. This channel, this journey is my way of creating a new chapter in my life. I've been watching YouTube for years. Really, it's a platform that's been there for me through some of my lowest and highest moments. I've seen creators who started just like me, nervous, unsure, and just taking it one step at a time, build incredible communities. I watched them grow and inspire, and a part of me always thought, why can't I do that too? But I had this fear of failure, fear of not being good enough. I'd see all these successful people and wonder if I could ever measure up. And that fear kept me stuck. It kept me from starting. I kept telling myself, maybe tomorrow. But the truth is, tomorrow never comes. If you wait for the perfect moment, you'll be waiting forever. Then one day, I heard something that stuck with me. It was in a video, just like this one, and the creator said, success isn't about waiting for the perfect moment, it's about creating it one step at a time. That really hit me, because I realized the people I'd been watching didn't wait for everything to be perfect, they just started. They took that first step, no matter how small, and kept moving forward. And that's when it hit me. I didn't need everything to be figured out, I just needed to start. So here I am. This is my start, and I'm sharing it with you because I want you to know something. I'm just like you. I've had doubts, I've had fears, I've had days where I felt completely lost. I didn't know what direction to take in life. Maybe you felt that way too, like you're stuck or you're just treading water trying to figure out your next move. A few years ago, that was me. I felt like I was going nowhere. I kept waiting for something to happen, thinking that one day I'd wake up and poof, everything would fall into place. But it didn't work that way. I spent so much time waiting for the right time to make a move. But here's what I learned. There is no perfect moment. You create it. You make it happen step by step. At some point, I realized something. No one was going to hand me the life I wanted. I had to go out and create it myself. That was a hard pill to swallow. And when I really took that in, I made the decision that I wasn't going to let fear hold me back anymore. But it wasn't easy. I had doubts. I still do sometimes. There were moments when I felt overwhelmed, unsure of where to start, or if anyone would even care about what I had to say. But every time I doubted myself, I pushed through. And that's the part of the journey that's important. It's not about being perfect. It's about moving forward despite your fears, your doubts, your failures. Each mistake became a lesson, and those lessons have led me to this point. One of the biggest things I'm proud of so far is the launch of my own clothing brand, Butterfly Social. It's not just about fashion, it's about spreading positivity, confidence, and growth. It's a reflection of my own journey and how I've learned to embrace change and rise above the struggles. Butterfly Social is about transformation, just like the butterfly. I want to inspire others to find their own confidence, step into their true selves, and spread their wings. So I'm asking for your support. This is just the beginning of the brand, and your encouragement means the world to me. If you love what this represents, growth, positivity, and new beginnings, I'd be honored for you to be a part of it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at @ButterflySocial. I'll be sharing behind the scenes, new collections, and all the exciting steps ahead as I continue building this brand. Let's grow together, and I'd love for you to join the Butterfly Social community. And before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What's that one thing that's holding you back right now? Is it fear, doubt, a lack of direction? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Maybe together we can turn that obstacle into the next big opportunity in your life. Thank you so much for watching. I'm genuinely excited for what's to come. I'll see you in the next video where we continue this journey of growth, inspiration, and making things happen. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for more.